Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do this soft glam kind of vibe, and I want to make everything a little bit soft glam kinda, but we're still gonna do something a little, extra, because I'm extra. So I'm gonna use my Saharan 2 palette. It's my favorite palette for neutral eye looks and just for like warm eye looks. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use the brown. I think the brown is called Fez. Yes, Fez is my favorite color, as you can see. I hate pan. I'm going to go in with this brush. This is the large blending brush from Practic by Sigma. So we're nice and red and ready. So we're going to go in with this color. Oh yes guys, so as you can see, I just said before, I just blend in the concealer to just set the eyelids. Did our brows off camera, and we're using Fez from the Saharan 2 palette, and I'm just going to add that right here. Just going to start from the outer corners of the eyes, and we're just going to blend this into the crease. Just gonna blend that into the crease like so. And I really like to use like fluffy blending brushes in my crease. As I said before, this is the blending brush from Practic by Sigma. We're just trying to blend this color into the crease, and then we're just going to take what is left on the brush, take it at the inner portions. I'm going to use this smaller brush. This is a Sylyne brush from the 18-piece Sylyne brush set, and I'm going to use Taza. Taza is a burnt orange kind of color. I'm just going to take Taza right here, to just kind of fade out the edges a little bit. Yeah, it's just the sun is just coming in and out. Oh my gosh. This one, this is like a detailed pencil brush, and I'm just going to deepen the crease of it with, from this palette, this color. I'm just going to deepen that a bit. So we're going to take it into the crease, the eye socket right here. We're just going to blend that. I want to like touch, look at how I am holding the brush, just because I want to really deepen it. And then what I'm going to do later on, I'm going to like blend out the edges. Now Fez is just going to blur out everything, so it can be nice and like diffused. Clean blending brush, this one, and we're just going to blend out up here a little bit, just because we don't want it to be so harsh. So the next thing that I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut the crease. The Sylyne AO6 brush, and we're gonna take this shade, this color, we're gonna add that. I'm gonna use this brush. This is from the Sylyne, from the Sylyne 10-piece brush set, blue brush set, with little pencil details. We're just going to add that right here. Nice, perfect color. Okay guys, I've just finished one eye, put on my lashes and so forth. We're gonna finish off this look quickly because can't spend too much time on one simple eye look. Yeah. So this lash was giving me a little bit of trouble. Put it on. I don't know why. Annoying. Alright, so we're gonna take this brush and we're gonna go in with the black. We're just gonna add the black right here. not at the waterline, but like close to the lash line. I'm just going to smoke that out. Okay, smoke it out. And then after that, I'm gonna go back in with the Juvia's Place Sahara 2 palette. I'm gonna go back in with this now just to clean up. Oh, cool. Is that it? Oh, mascara. I'm gonna take some of my DDK mascara lashes. I'm not gonna use the fibers. I'm only going to use the mascara. So I'm just trying to use off the makeup that I have, but everything is like almost done, almost finished. I wish I was getting PR. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna finish off the face and come back to you with the finished product. Okay? Yes.